Hey, it's Mike and Liz. We're doing a room tour. Our room is 11327. It's a neighborhood balcony. We're right here by the Surfside. So when you come in the door, the first thing you're going to see is the bathroom. You got a nice shower with a little seat. It's actually one of the smallest bathrooms we ever had in a balcony.
You got 3 shelves back here behind your toilet. You do have a seat in the shower also. They put your towels back here. You got shelves down here. There's your sink. And then you have more shelves up here. And you have this nice little drawer, but ours is a little wonky. They gotta fix it. It doesn't shut all the way. And then your little trash can down here. Okay, Mike.
And then moving into the hallway, you've got your wall thermostat, and it's all in Celsius. So this one's 21 degrees Celsius.
Sure, there's a way to change it, but...
And then all the lights right here. These are the lights.
Yeah, you can do mood lighting. You got morning, and then you can hit it for evening, and it dims them. Sleep, turns them off. Or if you want to watch a movie, it makes it like movie wide. And we've been trying to keep it on morning.
And then they got the safe right here in this little area, and there's more shelving.
Yep.
You can put stuff in. We don't have any.
It's a little
we didn't bring
hidden.
that much.
So behind the mirror, you have that shelf.
And then there's your storage. You have all kinds of baskets, and you have this another hanging over here, plus the hanging over here. Plenty of storage.
And a little, like we have his basket thing right there for his scooter. So there's a little storage there.
And then you have all these, you have a nice desk, and then you have a bunch of drawers. So a lot of storage. And then the little fridge is right here.
And it is little.
It's very little.
It's very tiny. So if you're planning on bringing stuff, make sure you plan for a small refrigerator. It's got a nice mirror, lights up around it also. Got 3 hooks on the wall. You can definitely get a scooter in this room. There was a chair by the desk. We moved it out, put his handle down, and the scooter fits almost right up underneath the desk. Got your couch, which will also make out into a bed. We had our bed put together, so we put the chair here. This little table moves. It was on the other side. The room steward moved it over here so he could get a scooter in. And they brought me a medical fridge and a Sharps container. I also put some water in our medical fridge along with my insulin. You got more shelves over here, which we kind of made into our snack cabinet and our different kind of vitamins and stuff. But you also got the plugs there too. And then you have your balcony, which is in the Surfside. So this is our view.
It's great because you can see the back of the ship from here, so it's really nice, and you get the fresh air running through. So it's like the best of both worlds. You still got the ocean view, which you can still have the neighborhood to look at.
That's the little carousel down there. You got your flamingo back here. Still got a lot of exploring to do. This is a huge ship. then all your water slides you can see from up here too.
Remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting a lot of videos about the food and all the activities on board.
Bye for now.